Hey, so if your Dropbox app is crashing on Windows, yeah, like it opens and immediately closes, freezes, or just keeps stopping unexpectedly, that can be really frustrating. In this full guide, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. First, restart your computer. This clears temporary glitches that can cause apps to crash. Next, yeah, open Task Manager and check if Dropbox is running in the background. If it is, it might be stuck. Now, if you see Dropbox running, right-click it and end the task. Then try opening it again. Yeah, try running Dropbox as administrator. This gives it proper permissions and can stop random crashes. Now, sometimes antivirus software blocks Dropbox and causes it to crash. Try disabling it briefly to test. Yeah, corrupted cache files can cause crashing. Clearing them can fix hidden issues in the app. Now, make sure your Dropbox app is updated. Older versions often crash on Windows 11. Yeah, also check for Windows updates. Sometimes system bugs cause apps like Dropbox to crash. If nothing works, uninstall and reinstall Dropbox. This resets everything and usually fixes crashing issues. So yeah, that's how you fix Dropbox app crashing on Windows. Most of the time, it's cache, background processes, or outdated software. Try these steps and it should run smoothly again. Thanks for watching.